Alright guys, so you have seen this company's products on my channel before. You've seen their wallets, you've seen their cases, and today we're taking a look at one of their cases that I have not tried before. Now we are looking at the Ridge carbon case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now last year I checked out the Ridge leather case and it was really nice. I have the Ridge wallets, I love that thing, I use it a lot. But today I wanted to look at the Ridge ARAMID case. Now, the price on this one is going to be $65, and links are down in the description below for you guys to check out for yourselves. So, taking a look at the packaging, very simple box from Ridge, but it's a nice presentation for that $65. It does say Ridge iPhone 16 Pro Max case here. It is made out of Kevlar by DuPont, and you get a picture of your case right there. Now on the back, you get a little information, and it says that it's compatible with the 16 Pro Max, 600D DuPont Kevlar, shock-absorbing TPU inner liner, compatible with MagSafe, anodized aluminum buttons and camera ring, and a raised camera lip. So basically, that's kind of all you get. We'll just open this up right here, and you're just greeted with the case. No extra paperwork, no stickers, none of that. So very simple, very elegant style presentation from Ridge. Now, taking a look at the case itself, I did not wipe this down. I have been using this the last few days, and you guys can see it's a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. So if that's something that bothers you, maybe look for Ridge's leather case. They do have two leather options, which I'll show you guys and tell you about them a little bit later towards the end. But if fingerprints bother you, you may want to look elsewhere. So on the back, you are going to get that ARAMID fiber material, that DuPont Kevlar, and it is very, very slightly textured. If you run your finger back and forth, you can kind of feel it, but it's not terribly textured either. I would like to see a little more texture on here. However, I have found that this case is not slippery when using it. Some of the ARAMID cases with the not so textured back, they can be a little bit slippery, but this is not the case with this one. So you do get a little bit of that Ridge branding right here and your metal camera ring right there. Taking a look on the inside, you are going to get that same ARAMID fiber material, and you do have your MagSafe magnet. Now, this does not show us the alignment magnet, but taking a look, we do see it right there. You can also put it in here, and we do have the alignment magnet on this case. Not sure why they don't show it, but we do have that. And then going around the sides, you do get this ridged TPU material that goes all the way around the inside of the case, as well as 4 reinforced corners with divots in there. So that is going to provide you with that drop protection. Now, I don't know what it's drop rated to. I didn't see anything on Ridge's website, but I can tell that they do have shock absorbing material in here and those protected corners. So you should be good for your everyday drops with this case. Now, let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper, see how much this thing weighs, and all of that good stuff. So starting off with the weight, we're looking at 43 grams. So not the heaviest case, especially for an ARAMID case with aluminum buttons and camera ring. Very nice weight. This is not a case that you feel the weight of at all when you are using it. And then moving along to our caliper, we do have 11 millimeters from front to back, and inside to outside, we are looking at 2.8 millimeters. So again, not a thick case, not terribly of a heavy case. This is a very nice case to use. You don't feel the thickness or the weight of it at all. So let's go ahead and take our natural titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we'll put it in here and listen out for that click. So listening for that. Solid click onto the case. Very good fit going all the way around. That click was nice, so you don't have to worry about this coming off of your phone if you were to drop it with the Ridge case on it. Now let's see how those corners fit. 1, good corner. 2, 3, and 4. Excellent fit on all 4 corners. That click was super loud. You definitely don't have to worry about fit on this case. It is solid. Very, very good fit. So going around the edges, yeah, same thing all the way around, even around your buttons, which is great. I love to see that really good fit going all the way around. And the camera control button, you can't even barely pull on it. It is good to go. I have no worries about this breaking. I don't think that'll be the case. It doesn't travel all the way down. It goes right back to its own original shape. So yeah, top is good. The bottom is good. Very, very good fit all the way around on the Ridge ARAMID case. Now let's go ahead and see that camera and screen protection. Let me give this a little wipe down and let's take a look. Now I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector. So taking a look at that screen lip, you get a pretty decent screen lip right there. So you can definitely set this down on most of your surfaces and you'll be good to go on that end. And yeah, no problems there at all. And then moving along to the camera ring, you are getting that aluminum camera ring here and a nice proper camera bump right there. So you can definitely set this down on just about any surface and you'll be good to go. As well as this Kevlar material is going to protect the back of your phone. Everything on here is nice and protective, so I wouldn't worry about that at all. Now, one thing about this camera ring, it does look a little bit like it's raised up more, almost like a kickstand, but unfortunately it's not. That would be cool if this was a really thin kickstand that you could pull out, but that's okay. I didn't expect that, so I'm not going to take any points off for that. Now, how does the case feel in the hand? And it's super, super comfortable to use. Not a pinky destroyer at all. Very nice to hold. You can hold this all day long and it doesn't dig into your pinky. It's not slippery whatsoever. Feeling it around the sides. There's really no like extra grip added or extra texture, but just all the way around the sides, it's that nice TPU material on the back, that ARAMID. Very comfortable, not slippery whatsoever, and the buttons click very well. All in all, a very, very good ARAMID case option. So let's take a look around the sides. Now, starting off at the top, you are completely closed in. On the left-hand side, you are going to get your action button, volume up and down, closed in the rest of the way, and you are getting those very nice metal buttons, which let's hear those. Very clicky buttons on here. You have no issues pressing them around, feeling for them, and they are nicely protruded there, so you can easily feel them in your pocket or your purse, your sling bag, your backpack, wherever you reach down for it, you can easily feel those buttons. Now moving along to the bottom, you are going to get your dot cutouts for your microphone and your speaker. They are accurately cut out, so you have no issues with alignment there, and a nice wide open USB Type-C port, which let's check out our anchor cable here. We'll plug that in. There we go. And yeah, nice open USB Type-C port, so all of your thicker head cables will fit in there with no problems at all. And then moving along to the right-hand side, you are completely closed in, except for your camera control button there. Now, that button, the cutout, is very nicely cut out, nice and even, not a huge cutout whatsoever, and accessing it is very simple, easy to get to. You can sit here and zoom in, zoom out, do exactly what it is that you need to do with your camera control button. Take a little picture of ourselves there. That's a little blurry, but either way, take a picture. Everything looks good. Everything acts good. I just kind of wish that this camera control button was a little bit more grooved in towards the button. I feel like you kind of get like a little tiny gap right there, but it's not a huge deal because it is still very comfortable to click, and you can even click it with a flat finger or however you want to use it. It has no problems there. It's just a slight little detail that I would like to see changed. Of course, we all want to see the camera control button. I know I don't have to keep saying that in all the videos. You guys let me know about that all the time in the comments anyways. But even though this case does not have that camera control button, it's still an excellent case. Definitely not one to sleep on, even though it doesn't have the button. Don't worry about that. A lot more cases don't have the button that are better than cases that do have the button at the time of this video. So definitely keep that in mind. Now let's check out that MagSafe, because that's going to seal the deal on if this is really a very good case and is it worth that $65 price point. So starting off with our Apple MagSafe wallet, go ahead and attach that. Nice attachment there. There's our animation. And yeah, it's not going anywhere, so it's absolutely going to be leather and fine woven wallet approved. Your MagSafe accessories should work on here with no problems at all. And then moving along to our Apple MagSafe battery pack, go ahead and attach that. There's our animation on that one. And let's see. Yeah, shake it as hard as you can, like it owes you money, like you've been waiting to get your hands on it all day long. And no problems at all. This thing is practically glued onto the case. Excellent, excellent MagSafe strength. Now, of course, it is ARAMID fiber, so you are going to get a little bit of that like MagSafe outline and things like that, but that's not something to worry about because a little microfiber cleaning cloth, you just give this a little bit of love here at the end, and it goes away for the most part. If not, take a little wet paper towel, get to it, you'll be just fine there. And finally, moving along to our Anker 623, we can go ahead and pick this up. And yeah, all day, up and down, no worries at all. I mean, you really gotta give this thing a shake for it to come off. I love to see that. I love to see the really good MagSafe on these cases. They're good, they're not crazy thick, very comfortable to use. All around an excellent, excellent case. Now let's talk about the colors. There's only a few colors it comes in. Of course, you are looking at the carbon version here. This one is $65. Now it's also gonna come in two leather options. You're gonna get midnight black leather and tobacco brown leather. Now, both of the leather cases are going to be $55 as opposed to $65, so they are going to be $10 cheaper and still a great option, great MagSafe, everything is good with them. Just the DuPont Kevlar on here is gonna make it a little bit more expensive. So definitely keep that in mind. But for $65, do I recommend the Ridge carbon case? And the answer is yes, guys. You're getting excellent MagSafe, great buttons, a super tight fit. Did you hear those clicks on all four corners? It almost sounded like this was just a hard shell plastic case. That's how well it clicked on there. So excellent fit, good protection, everything that you want out of an ARAMID case. Of course, you're not getting the camera control button, but who cares? You get the cutout, it works just fine, that'll be okay. All in all, this thing really checks most of the boxes, guys. So yeah, absolutely, I'll recommend the Ridge carbon case. Make sure you guys check it out down in the description below for yourselves. Links are all down there. So let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Have you ever tried any Ridge products? The Ridge cases especially? Last year I was a fan. This year I'm definitely a fan. So I really like that. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a very, very long way and allows me to consistently make these videos for you guys. And if you want to see another excellent ARAMID case that's going to give you great protection and an included screen protector, I'll leave that video right there. And if you want to see another ARAMID case option that's going to be protective but super minimal, I'll leave that right there.